Now I will demonstrate using a helium spray gun to check the leak integrity of a test part under vacuum. Adjusting the flow is easily done simply by placing the end of your helium spray tip in a cup of water and adjusting the regulator to a slow, steady stream of bubbles. You should be able to count individual helium bubbles as they come out of the end of the nozzle. The ELD500 is incredibly sensitive, so you don't need to displace all the air with helium. It's a common mistake to adjust the flow so that you can feel the flow of helium. This is way too high and simply results in blowing helium everywhere and making it difficult or impossible to actually locate a leak. Less is more when using a helium spray gun. I'm now going to demonstrate using the spray gun first on a leak-tight fitting. I'm going to close the vent port with a blank fitting. I start the test by pressing start, and the leak detector rapidly evacuates the test port, displaying the measured leak. If I now spray test gas around the flange, you can see the leak detector doesn't react. Next, I'm going to stop the test by pressing stop, and if I press and hold the stop button, I'll vent the test port. Next, I'm going to create a leak by deliberately placing a human hair across the O-ring on the test port. Press start on the test port and it evacuates again. Notice that the displayed leak rate is higher than before, even without spraying helium from the test wand. This is the ELD500 measuring the 5 parts per million of helium that's present in atmospheric air normally, leaking past the hair. If I hold the test gun tip to the flange and slowly move it around, I can locate the exact source of the leak. As I move the nozzle of the test gun towards the hair, we register a peak, and as I move it away again, the peak drops. And in that way I can locate the exact position of the leak. When the measurement is finished, press stop to complete testing. This will disconnect the helium detector from the test port, but leave the test port under vacuum. To vent the unit, press and hold the stop button for 2 seconds, which will vent the test port. Remember, you can do this in one go if you simply press and hold stop once you've finished testing. For more information, please visit the Edwards Vacuum website or contact your local Edwards Vacuum representative. I'm David Steele, and this is the Edwards ELD500 Precision Leak Detector.